Complete Murphy bed display. Step 1. Make the bed frame. Make bed frames of corresponding specifications according to the dimensions in the manual, and it is recommended to use methods 1 and 3. Step 2. Punching holes on the bed frame. Use accessory drill bits to drill holes. Note, if the template is placed on the inner side for drilling, the thickness of the bottom wooden board needs to be removed or crease along the dotted line. Step 3. Install number 1 and number 2. Use a drill bit smaller than 3.5 mm to pre-drill holes. Install number 1 and number 2 at the corresponding positions on the left and right sides of the bed frame, and use a total of 4.8-5 rear end screws of 12 PCs. If there are any sliding teeth, rotate the parts to replace the position or use 5.5 to 19 rear end. Customers can choose whether to purchase self-adhesive edge banding to make the Murphy bed more beautiful. Step for making a wooden bed. Make wooden beds of corresponding specifications according to the dimensions in the manual. Connect the L-shaped reinforced connecting plate in the middle according to the diagram. Attention! Wooden boards need to be glued with woodworking glue on the diagram and connected with woodworking screws. Step 5. Punch holes on the bed body and install bed leg. Note that the drilling template should be placed on the outside and aligned with the edge of the bed for punching, and the dimensions should be checked. Installing leg brackets requires install bed legs number 5 and number 6. Step 6. Assembling the hydraulic rod. Pay attention to the installation direction of the hydraulic rod. Step 7. Connect the bed and bed frame together and install the hydraulic rod. Pay attention to installing node 3 and 4 by drilling holes in advance, as shown in the picture. Insert the shaft into node 2 and tighten it with screws. Note that there needs to be an angle between the bed and the bed frame. Connect the bed and bed frame together and install the hydraulic rod. Note that the bed needs to be supported by someone, and another person should install the gas spring from behind. Step E. Customer purchases handle installation. The customer installs the handle in a suitable position according to their own needs. Step 9. Install limit wooden strips. The function of the limiting wooden strip is mainly to ensure that the bed remains on a flat surface after being closed, and customers can modify the position according to their needs. Step 10. Installing backrest. Refer to the manual and adjust the backrest angle and position appropriately according to the thickness of the mattress. Step 11. Install the connecting rod. The customer chooses to install the connecting rod at their own discretion, only suitable for 6-inch and 8-inch thick mattresses. Step 12. Install straps. The position of the straps can be modified by customers according to their needs, and the length of the straps is adjustable. Step 13. Install the mattress. Secure the mattress with straps. Note that the window frame in this design is 20 inches, and the thickest mattress is suitable for 12 inches. Step 14. Murphy bed installed on the wall. Please ensure the material of your wall, select the corresponding expansion screw, and install the expansion screw in the appropriate position.